Hi there, this is just going to be a quick video on how to use Traffic Jam Tweet Explosion. If you're using the software for the very first time, click Create New Accounts. If you're not using the software for the first time, that means you already have all your account information. You just put your username in there, your password, and you can leave this box unchecked. You don't have to check that box if you've already done that the first time you use the software. Right here, you choose your file of tweets. So yes, choose the file, and all the file is a .txt file. It's a text file where you put a tweet on each line. Make sure you don't have any extra spaces in there, so just delete up and save the file. After you save the file, you got your information in there. You just choose that file, and that's going to be what it tweets. So for your keywords, it's going to follow users based on what you put in this field. So let's say your niche is bodybuilding. You might want to put something in there like fitness models. All right, so here's where you put your username. So make up a username, and you can have any character in the alphabet. You can have capitals, you can have dashes, you can have numbers. Just keep the character amount. It's between 6 or 8 characters, I forget now, but it's listed in this thread. You'll be able to see what the max character is. Here you just put your password in. So this will be the same password as your Twitter account. And the reason you do this, so when you create your accounts, you can only use the same password as your Twitter account. So all your accounts have the same password. So when it logs into these other accounts and retweets your tweets, if you have a different password for Twitter, it's not going to be able to log into your Twitter account, so it's just not going to work properly. And just put your email in here. It needs that for logging in, so whatever your email is. And then you just put in your Twitter ID, whatever your Twitter ID is. And then you click Start. And so the very first time you run the software, you've clicked Create New Accounts. So it's going to go out there and it's going to create new accounts on different social networking sites. But let's pretend you already have your accounts. So you've chosen your tweets, you got your keyword in there, you've put in your correct username and your password, which is identical to your Twitter password, your email, and your Twitter ID. Then you just click Start, and it's going to check your Twitter account for other people that have retweeted your tweets, and then it's going to do them a favor by retweeting theirs. And you just leave the software running. You can minimize it to your taskbar, and that way it's just doing its thing while you can go do whatever you want. You don't have to be stuck in front of your computer screen. And this works exceptionally well for getting targeted traffic. It actually does work. I mean, it looks extremely simple, but it works really, really well. And have some tweets in there where you're engaging people. Ask, what's going on? Do you have any recommendations for something? Or do you like to do this? Or, what's your favorite band and stuff like that, so you can engage people. And that's pretty much it. It's just really simple to use. And then to make money, you just have a link in there once in a while. You put in, oh, check out this offer. This is pretty cool. And then because you follow people that are related to your keyword, they're going to be interested in the same things. So when they get your tweets, they're going to check it out, and you're going to make sales, and it's just so easy to do. I personally use this system, and it made me a fortune. Really, seriously, it did. And also, if you act really quickly, you actually get private label rights to this product, plus a year of updates totally free. If you don't act quickly, you're only going to get the licensed version, so you're not going to be able to give it away. It's only going to be good on your computer. But if you do act fast and you get the private label rights, you also get a squeeze page, so you can give it away to your list. And that's an awesome way to build a list because people love software. It's just so much better than giving away an ebook. So they'll see that, oh cool, I get some cool Twitter software. They'll sign up for your list. Great way to build your list. And you can actually use the Twitter software to drive traffic to your opt-in page, which is pretty awesome. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked the software. If you have any suggestions, please let us know. Comment in the thread. Let me know what you think. If you have some ideas, we'd be more than happy to add them. And always check in and get the latest updates. They'll also be listed in this thread. All right, see you guys. Enjoy the software and best of luck to you all.